wig.
Oh.
It's a face. Oh. We can cross over. Let's cross over here.
Hello, we are now in White House in America. Well, we don't have to say America when we're in the White House.
At the way.
I'm at the White House now. Okay, this is what I saw the very first. The White House. This is how it looks like. This has been a great time. Thank you for bringing me here.
Sure, my pleasure.
Okay, is this where people take a lot of pictures?
Sure.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm gonna take more pictures, and this is I would say this is the headquarters for not just for the America, but for the entire world. A lot of countries, like, I mean, everything, there are a lot of things are gonna be determined by here, and this is the place. This is the country. This is the building you can see right here behind me, and I'll be taking some more pictures. Okay, so hello okay, so I'm right now, you can see I'm at the White House. I'm just in front of the building now. You can see a beautiful building right here. So if you also want to come to the United States, if you are thinking about studying in the United States, or thinking about coming here as a visitor or as a business like owner or anybody, so you can always visit Beyond Education. You can contact us. We can really help you to really come to the United States of America. Thank you very much. So there's a lot of people usually like here every day.
Oh, yeah. And there's usually a lot of protests.
Oh,
A lot of protests. So it's actually very peaceful today. This is very, very, very good.
wow. Do you know how big is the area, if you remember, like the area for White House?
I don't.
Oh.
I don't remember. I don't know if I even know. Like how much land?
Yeah, how much land?
Okay. How much land? Liz, look at that.
Here you come. This is White House in America. White House. And is this another part of White House?
The administrative building.
Okay.
There's a lot of administrators in there.
Oh, I guess. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't see any signs that say you can't. And there's, if we have time,
Yeah.
there's a couple of restaurants that have rooftops.
Wow.
And we can go to the top if we
Okay.
have time.
Okay.
Because I don't want to rush it. But we could go up.
Oh, this is the parking. No, I mean the, what do you call this? The area, the park,
I think it's called the Eclipse. The Eclipse.
and we're still part of the White House, right? These are
Yeah, there's a sign, Eclipse Parking. You cannot go in here though. You know,
wow.
you can't go into a lot of places. So see how far away we're getting to the White House? It's behind us now, the White House.
Okay.
So we actually went to the best view of the White House.
Wow.
Yeah. But again, I'm going to walk across. I hope we can walk across. Maybe it might be all closed all the way up to Constitution Avenue. These groups up. You can't go in there.
Because of the Sunday
Well,
event.
this was all from the parade,
Oh.
the Army parade.
I'll make a little bit video, then I'll continue the show.
Yeah. So this is the Washington
Wow.
Monument here.
Wow. This is great.
So anyway,
Wow. We can see if anyone comes and walks on the door here, right?
yeah.
Did you say what that is? Like the tallest, this one?
This is the Washington Monument.
Okay.
Probably.
Oh wow, wow. I'll take a picture of it. Communication. So this one is the, how do, what,
I
like
think this is the building. This is Commerce. Commerce building.
Congress building?
Commerce.
Commerce building, okay. What is the US Congress building? There's a Congress building. Is this somewhere here or
What?
the US yeah.
Well, the Congress. That's the state capitol. We're going to go there on the
Okay.
hop on, hop off.
Okay, okay, okay.
So,
But like, you know, this
is that high over there?
you see a lot of people making their videos because they feel very proud to be here.
Yeah. Oh, it's a big deal.
Yeah.
Corner gate.
What are those buildings for?
Where what?
These buildings.
The building?
Yeah.
I don't
They
know.
have the
Maybe
US
hotel?
flag. They have the US flag.
Which building?
The buildings that has the flag.
It's a park.
Oh, I sorry that I don't think that.
We're going to go left.
Okay, okay.
This is the Marriott Hotel here.
Oh.
But, yeah, that's just a park. I think it's the World War II park or something. It's renovating.
I'll keep here your umbrella now.
Okay.
Yeah. And anything that you have, you know, like
Awesome.
the one.
So we're on a hop on, hop off bus right here. So
Yeah.
I don't want to walk too far.
Okay.
I think there's a place right over there on the corner. So we have to walk. And then I'm going to toss here. that way.
Okay.
Oh, here's some more souvenirs. Here, and there. If you want to find more magnets, big chains. You just need your magnets from the White House
Okay.
Visitor Center.
Yeah. This is a very nice building. Look at that.
Wyatt and I had dinner here in
Wow.
Hamilton.
Wow.
It's very fancy and expensive. And then we stayed at the hotel called the Walking in January. It was very nice. Right next to the White House. You can go.
Yeah.
So we'll go into here. Like, we'll come out.